You have an everlasting potential. And as long as you have a heartbeat, as long as you have air in your lungs, you have an opportunity to change this world, change your life, and live your dream today. We will be king.
After you lose, or when you get knocked out, stay down there for a minute. Understand why you lost. Why did you get knocked out? Because if you just jump right back up, you're going to lose again. So every time I lost, I stayed down for a second, minutes, hours, days, weeks. But when I stood up, I was different.
Keep fucking scrolling if you're sensitive, because this shit's about to get real. The only reason why you're not hitting your goals is because of your shitty fucking mindset. It's got nothing to do with your lack of time. It's got nothing to do with your shitty situation. It's got nothing to do with any of your excuses. We all have shitty situations, but the difference between you and them is they chose not to make it an excuse. Everybody's got fucking problems, but only some of us choose to find solutions. You're not special. Now get the fuck to work.
Good times create weak people. Weak people create bad times. Bad times create strong people. Strong people create good times. That's the history of the world over and over and over again.
If you decide to be rich today, who gonna stop you? Hey, if you decide you want to be rich, all you gotta do is start. Why not? Who gonna stop you?
Life is not just the passing of time. Life is a collection of experiences. Whatever the span of your life turns out to be, here's what you want to fill it up with: experiences and the intensity of those experiences. When my friend Mark died at age 44, someone says, that's young to die. But what if he lived 4 lifetimes in one? It might not be too young.
The first thing I think you need to understand is that these people that you're comparing yourself to, you don't really know. What that means is that you see their shiny outside, but you don't see the reality of their life. You know, maybe you're in California, see someone speeding down the road in a convertible Porsche, and you think, oh man, what a lucky bastard. And the truth of the matter is that he's thinking about wrapping his expensive sports car around the next cement pillar that he comes close to. You can't tell, and people have hard lives, and even people who are comparatively fortunate have hard lives. The ideal that you're observing that makes you jealous and resentful is in large part an illusion that's created by your own mind. And
You have to lose your fear of failure. Failure is part of the process. People who never fail, never try. You have to fail. You got to get it wrong to get it right. You learn nothing from winning. You only learn from your failure.
sit on your bed one day and ask yourself, what remarkably stupid things am I doing on a regular basis to absolutely screw up my life? And if you actually ask that question, you have to decide that you want to know.
Everything in life comes down to this. I'm telling you right now, no matter how hard you train, how hard you go out there and run and swim and lift weights, it always comes down to this. We all want to be loved, cared for, appreciated. And when we're not, it becomes a poison in our fucking minds. It starts to really infect us like a damn cancer. I look at this one athlete, and every day he wakes up, look at Instagram, look everywhere. They were always hating on him. One hit to lose, picking him to lose. And it started to bother him. And before the big day, he came to me and goes, hey man, Goggins, I can't get this shit out of my fucking head, man. All these people want to take your fucking heart. Not only are you going against this opponent, you're going against all of these haters. And you know one thing, you have the opportunity to take every soul feel.
You've made no progress. None. You never moved. You might even be further from your goal than you were. Why did you let that happen? It's because you lost sight of that long-term goal.
Fuck your motivation. Fuck your motivation. You need discipline. Because motivation's not there every day. I'm missing motivation most days.
This is yours. You're the captain, you're the master, you're the foreman, you're the general, you're the head. Don't give control of this to nobody.